Have you ever wondered why some of the wealthiest people in your neighborhood drive older cars and shop at the same grocery stores as everyone else? While your flashy coworker posts about their latest expensive purchase, the real millionaire next door quietly builds their empire without anyone knowing. Today, I'm sharing 12 powerful strategies that the truly wealthy use to accumulate serious money while flying completely under the radar. But first, let me paint you a picture. You're at a family barbecue, and Cousin Mike is bragging about his brand new luxury SUV that cost more than most people make in a year. Everyone's impressed, asking questions, taking photos. Meanwhile, your quiet neighbor Janet, who's been sipping her lemonade in the corner, owns 4 rental properties and has a 7-figure investment portfolio. She drives a reliable 10-year-old sedan, and nobody suspects she's worth millions. This is the power of stealth wealth, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to master it. The first strategy is to completely shift your mindset around money and success. Most people equate wealth with showing off expensive things, but that's exactly backwards. Real wealthy people understand that every dollar spent on impressing others is a dollar that can't work for them. Think about it this way: that designer watch might get you compliments for a week, but investing that same money could generate passive income for decades. This mindset shift isn't just about being modest, it's about understanding that true financial security comes from accumulating assets, not accessories. When you stop caring about what others think of your lifestyle choices, you free up enormous amounts of money to invest in your future. The wealthy know that the real status symbol isn't what you drive or wear, it's the freedom that comes from financial independence. Strategy number 2 is automation, and this might be the most important tack on this entire list. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to high-yield savings accounts in investment portfolios. The beauty of automation is that it removes human emotion and temptation from the equation. You can't spend money that automatically disappears before you even see it. Here's a real example. If you earn $5,000 monthly and automate just $400 into investments, that's nearly $5,000 per year working for you. Add compound interest over 20 years, and you're looking at serious wealth accumulation that happened completely in the background while you lived your normal life. The third strategy involves understanding the fundamental difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket every month, while liabilities take money out. This sounds simple, but most people get it completely wrong. That expensive car payment? It's a liability, draining your wealth. A rental property generating monthly income? That's an asset, building your fortune. Before making any significant purchase, ask yourself this question: will this make me money or cost me money over time? The wealthy always choose the option that generates long-term income, even if it's less impressive to their neighbors. Strategy 4 is mastering compound interest, which Einstein reportedly called the 8th wonder of the world. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to multiply exponentially. If you invest $300 monthly starting at age 25 with an 8% return, you could reach millionaire status by retirement. Wait until 35 and you'll accumulate less than half that amount. The key insight here is that time is more valuable than the amount you invest. Starting with small amounts early beats waiting to invest larger amounts later. Your future self will thank you for every dollar you invest today. Living below your means is strategy 5, and it's not about depriving yourself of happiness. It's about prioritizing long-term wealth over short-term pleasure. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people alive, still lives in the same modest house he bought decades ago. He understands that wealth isn't about how much you spend, it's about how much you save and invest. This doesn't mean living like a monk. It means being intentional about your spending and asking whether each purchase moves you closer or further from your financial goals. Every unnecessary expense is an investment opportunity lost. Strategy 6 focuses on creating multiple income streams. Relying solely on your job salary is risky because that income can disappear overnight. Wealthy people diversify their income sources to create financial stability and accelerate wealth building. Start by developing a side business or freelance skill that can generate additional income, then invest those earnings into dividend-paying stocks or rental properties. Over time, these multiple streams create a financial foundation that can't be shaken by any single economic event. The 7th strategy might surprise you. Stay completely anonymous about your growing wealth. Don't broadcast your financial wins on social media or brag about your investments at dinner parties. When people know you have money, they treat you differently. Some will ask for loans, others might target you for scams, and many will simply change their behavior around you. Keeping your wealth private protects both your money and your relationships. It also removes the social pressure to spend money maintaining an expensive image that others expect from wealthy people. Eighth strategy involves using windfalls strategically. When you receive unexpected money like bonuses, tax refunds, or gifts, resist the urge to splurge immediately. Instead, invest these windfalls to accelerate your wealth-building timeline. A $5,000 bonus invested at 10% annual returns could grow to over $100,000 in 30 years. That single decision to invest rather than spend can literally change your financial future. The ninth strategy involves avoiding lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, keep your expenses constant and funnel the extra money into investments. This creates an expanding gap between what you earn and what you spend, supercharging your wealth accumulation. When you get that promotion or raise, pretend it never happened from a spending perspective. Put the entire increase into your investment accounts and watch your net worth explode while your friends wonder how you're building wealth on the same salary they have. The 10th strategy emphasizes the power of your network. Surrounding yourself with financially savvy people exposes you to investment opportunities, money-saving strategies, and the mindset shifts necessary for building serious wealth. Your network often determines your net worth, so choose your relationships carefully. Join investment clubs, attend financial seminars, and cultivate friendships with people who prioritize building assets over buying liabilities. Their influence will naturally push you towards better financial decisions. The 11th strategy involves learning tax optimization techniques. The wealthy don't just make money, they know how to keep it by minimizing their tax burden legally. Contributing to retirement accounts like 401k plans and IRAs not only builds your wealth, but reduces your current tax liability. Understanding tax-advantaged investment options can save you thousands of dollars annually. That saved money can then be invested to generate even more wealth, creating a compounding effect that accelerates your financial timeline. The final and most important strategy is consistency and patience. Building wealth quietly isn't about getting rich quickly, it's about making smart decisions consistently over long periods. Small actions repeated daily create extraordinary results over time. Think of wealth building like planting a tree. At first, you see nothing happening, but with consistent care and patience, it grows into something magnificent. The longer you stay committed to these strategies, the more dramatic your results become. Remember, true wealth isn't about impressing others or keeping up appearances. It's about the freedom to live life on your own terms without financial stress. These 12 strategies can transform your financial future, but only if you implement them consistently starting today. Which of these strategies will you begin implementing this week? The path to stealth wealth starts with a single decision to prioritize your financial future over temporary pleasures. Make that decision today and let compound interest and time work their magic while you build lasting wealth that nobody sees coming. Stop wishing you could have more time and freedom and take action to make it happen. This is what my friend Chris Miles from Money Ripples tells clients to do all the time. His mission is to make 1,000 people financially free by 2030. To help him achieve this goal, he created a group coaching system and course called the Wealth Accelerator Academy. The tools and lessons you learn about passive investing and how to vet deals are invaluable to helping you live the life you want. Want to learn more? Check out the course by clicking down the link below. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, subscribe because your financial freedom story starts right here on this channel.